This is a 4-box break recap for 2010 Press Pass that I did earlier this month. Ndamukong Suh, 474 out of 500. I got 2 Rob Gronkowskis, Mardy Gilyard, Charles Scott, Freddie Barnes, Brandon Gee, Denario Alexander, Dan Lefevre, Jarrett Brown, of course the hot card that my primo pulled, Brandon LaFell, bronze. He only did 4 of these in the red ink auto. Altarian Werner, Corey Wooten, Demaryius Thomas, Jermaine Gresham, Zach Robinson, Jacoby Ford, Aurelius Ben, another Corey Wooten. This was the blue hobby only out of 50. Ryan Matthews Power Picks, and I got a redemption for Joe McKnight Gold. Hopefully I'll be getting that in the mail soon. Anyways, that's my 4-box break recap. Thanks for watching.